Samsung is getting ready to release its new software update called One UI 8, and honestly, there's a lot of pressure on this one. The last update, One UI 7, had a rough start, and many users weren't happy with how things turned out. So now, Samsung's main goal is simple: don't mess it up this time. One UI 8 will first come to Samsung's latest foldable phones. These are the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. After that, the update will start rolling out to other phones, likely beginning with the Galaxy S25 series. This new update brings a few fresh features, improved AI tools, and some small design changes, but the biggest question on everyone's mind is, can Samsung handle the rollout properly this time? Let's be honest, One UI 7 was a disaster. Samsung promised a big update filled with new AI features and design changes. But when it finally arrived, things went downhill quickly. The update was delayed, and when it did show up, it caused a huge problem. Many Galaxy S24 users couldn't unlock their phones after installing the update. Imagine buying an expensive phone, updating it, and then getting locked out. It was a mess. Because of this issue, Samsung had to pull the update, which caused delays everywhere. Some regions got the update much later than others. Samsung's communication about the problem wasn't clear, and many people didn't know when or if they would get the update. It felt rushed and badly managed, which is the opposite of what people expect from Samsung's high-end phones. Now with One UI 8, Samsung has one job: to do better. And it looks like they've learned from their mistakes. This time, they're not going for big, flashy changes. One UI 8 is all about small improvements, cleaning up old problems, and making things run more smoothly. It doesn't try to completely change how the phone looks or feels. Instead, it fixes the issues left behind by One UI 7. That's a smart move after what happened last year. Security is also a big focus in One UI 8. Samsung is improving its Knox security features, adding new options like quantum encryption for Wi-Fi connections and real-time alerts if an app is behaving suspiciously. This shows that Samsung wants to rebuild trust, especially after the serious privacy problem in One UI 7. That old bug made private photos from people's secure folders appear in public AI story albums. It was a big mistake, and it made people worrying about their personal data. Now, Samsung is trying to fix that reputation. By focusing on making the software stable and safe, One UI 8 feels like a more careful and thoughtful update. Samsung isn't trying to rush a huge redesign just to impress people. They seem to know that what users want most right now is a smooth, reliable phone experience, and that's what they're aiming to deliver. It's worth mentioning that Samsung only just finished rolling out One UI 7 to all its phones, and now One UI 8 is already starting. That alone shows how poorly planned the last update cycle was. But it also means Samsung is trying to turn the page and give customers a fresh start. Another cool thing about One UI 8 is how it adjusts better to different types of devices. Whether you're using a foldable phone, a big tablet, or a regular Galaxy S series phone, the update is designed to work smoothly on all of them. That makes a big difference for people who use multiple devices or who are thinking about buying a foldable phone. At the end of the day, software matters just as much as the hardware on your phone. People don't just want a fast processor or a good camera. They want their phone to run smoothly, feel polished, and work reliably every day. That's why a software update like One UI 8 is so important. It affects how your phone feels to use. One UI 8 might not be the most exciting update Samsung has ever made, and honestly, that might be a good thing. This is Samsung's chance to prove it can deliver a stable, secure update without any big problems. No more rollout disasters. No strange bugs, just an update that makes your phone better. Let's hope Samsung gets it right this time. Because if they don't, people will keep remembering the mess of One UI 7 for a long time.